Paper 4, May-June 2023, and variant is 4.2. First question of this paper is from work, power and energy. A particle of mass 1.6 kg is dropped from a height of 9 meters above horizontal ground. The speed of the particle at the instant before hitting the ground is 12 meters per second. Find the work done against air resistance. Find the work done against the air resistance. First, we make the figure of this question. Mass of the particle is 1.6 kg, dropped from a height of 9 meter. Speed of before hitting the ground is 12 meter per second. So, a diagram like this. Particle is dropped from this point. This is the ground level. Let this point is A, from where the particle is released, dropped, and this is ground level. And this distance is 9 meter. The particle is dropped from this point A. This is ground level. When the particle is dropped, its initial speed will be 0. And the value of acceleration due to gravity will be 10 meter per second square positive because the particle is moving downward. Nine meters above the ground. The final speed before hitting the ground, the speed of the particle is 12 meters per second. Initial speed is 0, final speed is 12, 9 meter distance from the ground. Mass of the particle 1.6 kg. Now we use energy method here, work, power and energy. We will solve this question by energy method. Energy method is this. I am using here a short form of this formula. W, this is the formula. Energy, this is the energy method actually. WD means work done by driving force is equal to, this is a short form. We consider it work done by driving force is equal to work against friction. Wf shows work against friction plus change in mechanical energy. We use delta for change in mechanical energy. We will use this formula. Work done by driving force is equal to work against friction plus change in mechanical energy. So first, work done by driving force is zero because no force is applied when the particle is dropped from a height of 9 meters. So there is no force, so work done by driving force is equal to zero. Work against friction we have to find, and now we have to find actually change in mechanical energy. Actually, mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. First, we find the mechanical energy at point A and mechanical energy at B. Then we will subtract to find the change. So, at point A, at point A, mechanical energy will be potential energy plus kinetic energy. Mechanical energy is equal to potential energy is mgh plus kinetic energy is 0 because at point A initial speed is 0, so kinetic energy is 0. This means that we have only potential energy at this point. So putting the values mgh mechanical energy at A will be m is 1.6, g is 10, h is 9. So we get this 144 joule. Similarly, at point B, we will find the mechanical energy and potential energy is 0 because the height is 0. Because the particle is at point B, the height is 0 because it has reached the ground. So potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy is 0 because height is 0. Kinetic energy will be 1 over 2 mv square. Now putting the values of m and v, we get 1 over 2 into m is 1.6 and v square is v at point B is 12. So 12 square. So finally we get, after calculating, we get a mechanical energy at point B is 11.5 11 115.2 joule. Now putting these values of this is mechanical energy at point A is 144, mechanical energy at point B is this. Now we put these values here, change in mechanical energy. We have this formula, work power work energy relation. So writing again the same formula, work done by driving force is equal to work against friction plus change in mechanical energy. Work done by driving force is 0, work done against friction we have to find plus change in mechanical energy means final mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is 115.2 and initial mechanical energy is 144. So change means we have to subtract 115.2 minus 144. So we get this minus 28.8. So from here we find work done against friction, work done against air resistance. This word is air resistance, air friction, same word. Work done against air resistance will be from here 28.8 joule. This is the final answer. 28.8 joule work against the friction resistance, air resistance